Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel and this week's episode of Antics. Today we're actually going to decorate for Christmas. So usually what me and my housemate do is at the beginning of December we decorate the house, we do a Christmas meal and we sort of have our own mini Christmas, which really gets us in the mood for like the festive season and all of that. So today what I'm going to do is decorate the tree, put some decorations up around the living room while Paul and Adrian are cooking. So this is the tree all wrapped up and ready to be decorated. We've got all the decorations down from the loft. It doesn't look like a lot, but it is because they're all micro stored in here along with garlands and all of that sort of stuff. We've got chocolates ready to go. And then we've got Adrian and Paul in the kitchen cooking. They're so excited.
Do you want bacon on turkey, Aaron?
Yes.
Maybe I do half-half.
Do you not want bacon on the turkey?
Well, I just want a bit of the crispy turkey skin, I think.
Bit of both. And then to finish off the evening, after we've had dinner, we're gonna have mulled wine, and we don't have a fireplace, so we usually put it on the TV and listen to Christmas songs, play some games, all of that sort of stuff. So I thought I would bring you along today so you can watch us put the decorations up, decorate the house, and eat a nice Christmas dinner. So before we start, well, they're already cooking, but before I start peeling them potatoes, I just wanted to show you my Christmas jumper. Paul actually got me this like a couple of years ago, and it's my Hogwarts house. It's Ravenclaw. I love it. Okay, so I'm gonna go peel the potatoes. I think that's gonna be my main contribution to the meal, but we'll see.
So yeah, can I get for you?
So aggressive.
Save you my tears.
No.
Yeah.
Oh, that's lovely. It's so magical.
It's probably the best tree you ever had, Anne.
Oh my god. It's very unstable.
The kid?
See? Yeah? Yeah. Okay, so these are all the Christmas decorations. And usually it's a theme of like red and silver. And we've got like garlands that are in the bags and everything. So I'm gonna start putting them around. But so far, the tree looks nice. I like it. So we need to put the holly on first. We've got 3 of them. I actually think we might need to go to John Lewis and buy a couple more of these, you know. Oh, we've got the mini tree. My Little Mermaid! I love this one. I forgot about it. So these little robins are my favourite decorations. Robins really just remind me of Christmas. Oh, Adrian. Robins just remind me of Christmas. So I was recently at a Christmas market and bought some homemade potpourri. So I'm just going to put that in the bowl so the house smells lovely. I mean, you also get this lovely fresh oil with it. So let's stick it on. It smells amazing. Bring it. Bring it. I'm just going to mix it up a bit. Ooh, honestly, this smells so good. It smells like oranges, clementines, a bit of lime. It smells a bit spicy as well. Oh, really, really nice. So the house is fully decorated now. We're just waiting for the rest of the food to be cooked. We're going to have starters soonish. That Adrian is going to serve us promptly. But for now, we're just going to go watch a Christmas film. Which Christmas film?
Don't know yet.
Okay, yeah, we're going to watch a Christmas film. Maybe Love Actually. Maybe The Grinch.
I'd be up for the Grinch.
Yeah, I'd be up for The Grinch. Jim Carrey one of the original. I need to make mulled wine. Shall I make mulled wine?
Yes.
For the film? Okay, I'm going to make mulled wine now before we start the film. You choose the film. Okay. Okay, so I'm making mulled wine and I've already like pre-bought a bottle of it. I've got a spice pack. Usually I like to use like fresh cinnamon, but I've got like ground, so I guess that'll be okay. Whole cloves, and then I've also got some bay leaf. I always like to throw that in just to make it a little bit more flavourful. And then sugar. So let's just get going. It shouldn't take too long. Okay, so get the wine. And then I'll just get a couple of spice things. Oh, that's a lot of cinnamon cloves. And then finally I need to put the sugar in, so. And then in addition to that, I always put a little bit of water in my mulled wine. Okay, the mulled wine is ready. I'm gonna sit down to watch a Christmas film. Which film is it? He hasn't made a decision. What is it? Black Widow?
Christmas Carol.
Or Black Widow?
No, Christmas Carol. I'm really excited. Charlie. Who's Marley? You're about to find.
hope the turkey's not burnt. I don't think it is.
There's smoke. You want silence in this room.
At least we know it works.
Yeah.
The smoke alarm is over.
I think that's been...
Wow.
Looks nice. That's the gravy.
Wow, so that's the first course done. The prawns were amazing. Well done, Adrian. Really nice, really spicy, really, really good. So, we're just gonna carve up the turkey now and then, well, I say we, it's probably more like Paul's gonna carve it. Assemble the rest of the Christmas dinner and then eat that. We haven't even finished the Christmas film yet. We need to finish that and then the rest of the night is probably just relaxing, eating more chocolates and then chilling and then probably an early night because honestly I'm already really full and all we've had is prawns. We had so many prawns. To the carving! Wow. This looks great.
Oh, no, you go first. You my king of my kingdom. You go first. I get the salt.
Okay, I'll go first. I'm the king of the kingdom.
No, you're the queen. Oh my god, gobble, gobble, gobble. Have you got bacon, you two?
Yeah. Yeah. God, Adrian, leave some gravy for us.
Merry Christmas. Oh my god, Anne.
What?
That can't be right.
What can't be right? Do you want some?
No, I don't want some.
What?
Is that normal?
In what way do you not think it's normal? What,
Did
there
you put
are
a lot?
Oh, a lot? No, this isn't a lot.
Cheers.
Cheers. Well done, Paul. And Adrian.
And Paul. I can't.
Delicious. Okay, so we've finished eating now. Really, really full. The meal was good. It was delicious. I don't think Paul agreed, but I enjoyed it. Really nice overall. Oh, my camera is not straight. Triggered. I think now what we're going to do is finish the film that we were watching earlier and then I'm knackered so I'm going to go to bed. But this was us decorating for Christmas, cooking a Christmas meal, having mulled wine. God, we did so much today. I hope you guys have a good Christmas. Alright, bye.